Bosch Measuring Tools is the worldwide leader in laser measuring and leveling technology, increasing productivity on the job site every day. This is the Bosch DLR130K laser distance measurer, which has all of the standard measuring features needed for general distance measuring, including 4 measurement modes. The DLR130K replaces or complements your tape measure with advanced laser technology. It measures at the speed of light with accuracy of 1/16 up to 130 feet. This unit is simple to operate by just aiming the laser at the spot to measure to, press the button, and within a fraction of a second, the distance is on the display. As with all Bosch laser measurers, the DLR130K has a full functioning keyboard for calculating length, area, volume, and continuous measurement. It also has memory for storing measurements, changing the dimension display between feet, inches, and metric, and 2 points of reference. The DLR130K has a small, handheld design that fits in the palm of a hand and in a pocket, ready for use at any time. Experience the productivity and speed of the DLR130K for any indoor or outdoor job site measurement needs.